When do I want to get married? In 2 months. How about you? When do you want to get married? 30? Still a long time to go. How about you? Approximately. Like I know. 30. Before 30 or after 30? You just get married, no matter when. How about you?
Maybe 30 or after.
After 30?
Maybe.
Maybe. How old are you now?
This is secret.
Oh, come on. Are you 20? If you're 20, your poor girlfriend needs to wait another 10 years.
Oh.
Okay, how about you?
I don't know.
You don't want to get married? Why not?
She likes girls.
She likes girls.
You can get married with a girl.
Yeah.
She's a teen.
Yeah.
Okay, how about you?
28.
Okay, good.
And
25. Best age. How about you? Long time ago? Well, long time in the future.
Long time ago?
No, ago means in the past. Ago should go children. You cannot say ago.
Ago.
No. Ago no.
Before.
Ago means in the past. You cannot say go.
，ago 是过去，就是以前的事。
You should say
30.
30, okay, good. So, what's your question? Why do I want to be a teacher? Okay, why do you want to be a teacher? Okay, well, I like teaching, I like talking to people, I like helping people. Yeah, I just like doing it. How about you? What do you want to be in the future? What is it? Painter? Painter, yeah. So you paint? You paint at home? Do you draw? What do you draw? Nature, people, things? Everything. Everything. How about you?
I won't be an artist or paper designer.
Nice. How about you, Yushan? What do you want to be? What kind of job? So I want to be the boss. So okay, I want to be a boss. To be a boss. Good. How about you?
Me too.
You want to be her boss.
No.
The boss of the boss. How about you?
Boss.
Boss of what?
快递什么的？快递。
I don't know what's that.
Yeah. 黑猫那种。Black cat. Yeah, it's a black cat.
What is black cat?
啊。好难叙述。
Then
No.
弯刀刀。
类似那个对送货的那种。
I don't understand. I'm sorry. You have to drop it. You want to drop it? Okay. How about you? What do you want to be?
开家咖啡厅。是吗？
You want to open the coffee shop?
Yeah, coffee shop.
Oh, nice. How about you? Designer. Good. Okay, your next question.
How often do you spend to learn Chinese? Harder or you feel harder or easy?
I think learning Chinese is difficult,
Difficult.
especially if you don't talk to Taiwanese people in Chinese. Because to know the language, you have to use the language. And if you don't use Chinese, you don't learn Chinese. You might know the words, but if you don't speak, your Chinese is bad. Okay, how about you? What do you think about learning English?
I feel, I don't know, because I think if I don't go outside, I don't go to US, America, my English is, I can say it, but I don't know it's useful.
Oh,
Yeah, so.
I don't know if it's useful. I see. How about you? What do you think about your English? You think reading book will help you to learn English? Yes, it will. It's actually the best method to learn the words. How about you?
Listen.
To learn English. We're talking about learning English. You were listening to CD only? Okay, fine. How about you?
Reading book.
I also think reading book will be helpful. How about you?
Reading book.
Reading book, what are we talking about?
Huh?
Did you hear the question? No, I didn't hear the question. The question, how do you learn English? I don't really study.
I don't
Really study, okay? Okay, I learned it at school. Okay, next. How long have you been in Taiwan? 6 years. Okay. How long have you studied English for? What is it? 20 years?
Yes.
How old are you?
80.
How can you be 20 years? 20 years is more than 18. 12, okay?
Me too.
20 years. I study English longer than Lee. How about you? Okay, how about you? 8. How about you? 8 too. What about you?
Well, I'm children, junior high school.
Junior high school. Okay, it's good. Okay, next. What do you like to do?
Interesting.
What are your interests? My interests are singing, teaching, learning, reading, religion, politics, culture, languages. How about you? Watch movies. And have one interest in your life. Only one?
Shopping.
Shopping. Nice. How about you?
Shopping, singing, dancing, and sleeping.
Nice. Very nice, Tobin. Next.
I like to shopping.
You like shopping too? Good.
Yeah.
Yep.
Playing the game. Playing games.
Playing game online? What do you play? What do you play? Which online game? Sama Yoshi. LOL?
CS.
Okay, next. Drawing. Yeah, you already told us that you're drawing everything. Everything you see, that's I need a drawing. How about you?
Watching art book. DPI's graphic design book.
Oh, that's very, very interesting for you, bro.
I will draw.
Okay, good.
Start.
How about you?
Online games.
LOL?
No.
You're playing too much, that's why you don't want to get married. Okay.
How many did you have boyfriend before?
Of course I did. I had a boyfriend before, yeah. Yeah, we did it for a year. For a year, yeah. We broke up in August. Yeah, how about you? Did you have before?
3.
3. Oh, you want to know how many I had? 5. How about you? You see, you're talking, not listening. How many boyfriends did you have? Yeah. Did you have boyfriends before?
No.
No? How about you?